Hey everyone, welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you the best settings to Genshin Impact for low-end PC. First, change the game settings. Press the escape key in the game and select settings. Go to graphics settings and set graphics quality to the lowest, frame rate to 60, and VSync to off. Set render resolution to 0.8, shadow quality to the lowest, visual effects to the lowest, SFX quality to the lowest, environment details to the lowest, and turn off anti-aliasing, volumetric frog, reflections, motion blur, and bloom. Set crowd density to low. Turn off co-op teammate effects, subsurface scattering, and dynamic character resolution. After making these changes, close the setting and restart the game if it works, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.